What's your complete name?
My name is Susan Newman Spindler is my complete name, but for purposes of this interview, you can call me Susie Spindler.
And you are?
I'm the Executive Director of the Alliance for Coffee Excellence.
How do you like the coffees during this week?
Oh, they're just fabulous. I think these coffees from Brazil are going to really change people's hearts and minds about what naturals can be. Period. Nothing else needs to be said. They're just spectacular.
How important do you think is to have a competition just for natural coffees?
Oh, I think it's critical, because if you don't have a competition just for naturals, then the cuppers don't really dive into the complexities of a natural coffee. They're so used to all the other flavor profiles that they would tend to just go for those first. Once you have a competition for only naturals, then all of a sudden there's this incredible scrutiny and incredible appreciation of what's in the cup, and that's what this week has been like.
So do you think we should keep separate?
Yes, absolutely. You should keep them separate, because each of the different coffees has their own unique personalities, their own timing of perfection, and each coffee is appreciated by a different kind of cupper.
Any kind of exotic flavor did you find this week was very surprising?
Oh, just fruit, all over fruit. I was surprised at really how the explosions of fruit kept coming in the cup, and also how clean the coffees were. I mean, everybody always says, oh, naturals are just kind of dirty and murky, and they're just not. The other thing I knew this already, but the other thing that I think the cuppers were surprised at is how the acidity came through in these coffees as a component of the overall expression of quality. I don't think they expected that.
So now do you think the world has a new vision about Brazilian naturals?
Well, not till we get the samples in there. Once we get the samples into the roasters, and once these guys bid on these coffees, and once they start using them, it's just the beginning, but it starts slow, and it will eventually just open up the marketplace and the floodgates for naturals.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
Thanks. That was good. It's funny though.